Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a break-even day, bad day trading recap. Yeah, it's one of those days wherein you were just in the wrong side the whole time, and yeah, it's tough. Imagine, look at the move on Tesla. It's $17.72. $17 for the day. That's insane. $17 in a day for Tesla. Yeah. So I was heavily short bias in Tesla around 252. Yeah, this area here, I really thought it's going to continue to head down from yesterday's drop. So yesterday, I mean, did I make a recap yesterday? I can't remember. I really can't remember if I made a recap yesterday. Maybe I did. So yesterday, I was long biased, and look what happened. I'm wrong. So I was really long biased yesterday. I caught a move, like a small move. I made my goal, but imagine if I was short. Look at that move. Almost, I don't know how much is it. So 275. A crazy move. $20 move. Almost a $20 move. So, and today, $17 move. I was short biased, but I'm, it's a long. So, yeah, I think I have to kind of rest trading Tesla right now because 2 days in a row. I mean, yesterday was a great day. It's a good day. I made profit, but I mean, I was in the wrong side. I was trying to take it long. And this one, I was trying hard to take a short and bounce at this 252. But I was wrong. So most of the time, I was actually let's look at 1 minute. So as you can see here, I shorted. So my first trade, let's look. Let's see. Can you see it? Yes, you can. So my first trade was actually let's look here. Um, yeah, so my first trade, actually, I was really close to taking it long here, but I didn't want to take it long because I was actually short bias. I thought it's gonna just hover around 250 area and then continue to head down 248, 247, all the way to maybe, I don't know, 245 or 240. So that was my plan. I have levels there that where will I take profit and everything. I even have 252 level. It's a short. And yeah, so my initial entry was this 253. Yeah, 253. This from 258. That's a crazy $5 move. That's a $5 move there. So this second candle is about $3 move. So this candle is a $3. Imagine if I was long. The reason why I did not take this long because this candle, the first candle was about $2.80. So for Tesla, that's a really, really big move and it can be a trap. Imagine if I take this long here and it rejects this 251, it could actually just, even though this was a kind of like a hammer, um, and it's red, if it was white, I think I could have changed my bias to long. I could have made this 1 minute orb as well, but it's just it was hard to execute properly and change my bias for the day. This was a really good, really, really good 1 minute orb actually, 1 minute opening range break up. So this was a $2 candle. You risk $2, you can just take profit, slowly take profit in there. Yeah, so what I did, I shorted it to 53. I took profit, slowly take profit here, and then I added back in because that was I was risking $2 in this one, so I can add in if I know. So I added back in, um, and then I stop out. So after stopping out, I thought like this is 254. I reshorted it again at 254. I took profit. Like so just what's this 10% partials. And I stop out a break even. I shorted it again. here, took profit, stop out, re-shorted it again a few times, stop out. So those are a lot of stop outs. So if you add those in, that's gonna hurt. But it's as long as I'm stopping out, it's fine. We can survive. But the thing is, what happened was I re-shorted it. Imagine I'm shorting. I kept shorting and shorting. I should have at least wait, right? So I shorted it again, stop out. I shorted. I even added. I said, okay, so maybe 257 will be the top, and then I took profit. So when is this? 9:45, somewhere here. Yeah. So short, took profit. Okay. So at this point, I was already red. I was already red at this point, but not that much because I was risking actually $2 on every trade on this one because I know it's going to get crazy because the first candle is about $3, right? So imagine if you're risking a dollar, then you're going to get stopped right away. So I mean, risking $2, but adding back in to make a dollar, a dollar risk reward, right? So after that, so I made some money back. I was actually green at this point, slowly taking profit, as you can see here. I was really really patient in that one. So to 55, I was actually green here, a little over break even. And I thought it's gonna flush. It's gonna flush to 252. Yeah, that was my target. Because Tesla is just overbought, like so many overbought. Just there's so many wicks that I didn't like here. Yeah, just like bad wicks. And I said, okay, it's holding 256. One sec. It's holding this 256. Let's say. So it was holding this 256.50 here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So it was holding this 256.50, and that I held more shares. But I was already green here. So what I did was, I said I'm gonna keep adding on the higher days at 257s because I thought it's gonna hold 257, right? I have these two daily levels here, 257.78, etc. And then it made a new high of day. I should have stopped out there. But the thing is, and I want to make money. So what I did was I added, and then, oh my God, like it made another dollar move, 258. So what's this? 258. So that was the ad there. Next was, I mean, the next ad is $1.35 after more than a dollar. And after that, oh my God, I'm trapped. Because this is kind of like my full size already, right? Here, because after this ad, and I kept adding and adding, which was, I didn't know what I was doing. It's hard for me to get out because I'm down probably at this point probably three times like my max loss already, right? No, it's not max loss yet, but almost close to my max loss. So I can only lose three R's for the day. I haven't reached my 3 R's, but it was really close. Um, so look, I kept adding. This was a chance to cut some shares. I did not because I was greedy. I want this 256 to make money. I think my average was after this ad. I even added here. My last ad was 261.50 or 48, and that's a thick line. It means it's like I said. Okay, I'm gonna add this. It's a thick line. It's a reminder that it's a major daily level somewhere, or probably a weekly level. But yeah, so that at that point it's already what 248, more than $10 move, like $12 move, right? I think I was down $3 move in this one. So I think my average was 257, $3 or something, I can't remember. Close to $4. I said, okay, if it goes above $4 move, I'm done. I'm out. Since I made enough profit here, so I can risk whatever I made here and then, like be down for the day and then ended up with a max loss day. And what happened was, so my average was about 258.16 or something, I can't remember. And I said, okay, should I hold it to 256? I was contemplating, I now can do a break even trade. or I can just hold to make more to 255, right? I said I'm already stressed out. I didn't want to hold. I didn't want to hold any trade. Let's just take small profits. I had orders here. I set my orders, so I said I'll forget it. I'll just look at it. But it was resisting VWAP, right? So it was resisting VWAP at that point. Um, what happened? So yeah, I took profit at 257.61. So that's about, close to 50 cent profit on that move. If I make $1, then that's good, right? So if it touches 257, I could make more because that's $1 move out of this really big size that I have to make more. Average because I was re-averaging, so that was like I remember it's $3, so 258. Yeah, so about $3 there. So I said, okay, that's a pretty good move. 25% of the stock from the highs, or the whole high and low, and slowly taking profit. I didn't even use market order in this one. I was using limit orders because I wanted to make a profit. So and then I took some more off, and I said if it goes break even, I'm gonna stop out and with a small loss because my average was 258.16 or something. I can't remember. So that's fine. At least I took some more off. I took more. And then my last one, 27.27. Imagine if it actually went here to my target, which is 257. But I did not, I was slow enough to take profit. And then when I saw that it had this wick here, I said, okay, I'm going to get out. So that's where I got out. Um, yeah, so yeah, it was a little painful, but I survived. Um, yeah, I was happy. It's just one of those days where it happens. I've been really profitable with Tesla for the past months, weeks, days. It's just I think this is one of the days wherein I don't know what's happening anymore, because I've been day trading this for a couple of months now. Um, yeah, it's one of those days. It happens if you're kind of married to a stock, how we call it, married to a stock. This day will happen if you trade every day. Sometimes you don't know where's your bias. Like, imagine if I do the opposite side of the trade, I could have made more. But of course, if you're in a trade, for sure you're gonna start taking profit. You're gonna hold it. But imagine, it's just funny. I can hold a losing trade this long, but I can't hold a winning trade that long. So let me know if that's also happening to you. It's just trading is not easy, right? I'm glad I got this move. I mean, net profit. If we look, net profit, I'm up $1. Net profit. Um, let's look. People are gonna say I'm not trading real account. I'm gonna show you it's a real account. I'm just gonna hide this realize because I don't like showing. I don't like showing how much I make every day. But yeah, it's a real account, and I made $1 net. I realized it's zero. It means I closed my trade. Um, yeah, so whew, that was crazy. So I mean, I'm up in terms of gross profit, but net profit, I just gave it back to the commissions. And look what happened to Tesla. Imagine if I didn't get out here. Look what happened to Tesla. So I mean, could have could have forced me to just really stop, and it's probably gonna stop me out. I have a max loss set in my tasks. It's gonna kick me out in a trade, and I'm just gonna have to recover it. I mean, if you have max loss, you have to recover it for maybe probably 5 days, 3 to 5 days, unless you have a good risk reward ratio. So for me, I like to take small profits and slowly grow my account. But yeah, so this is probably if I lost this, probably a week of recovery. Yeah, so it's all short, 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 short. It's just it's one of those days. So yeah, that's it. And Tesla is strong. Next level will be, let's see, level that I have was actually just 280. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I probably won't. Not probably. I will not be trading tomorrow because of what I did today and yesterday. Yesterday was wrong side, but I made profit. Today, break even, also on the wrong side. So this is a chance for me to just take a break. So tomorrow, don't expect any trades from me. And have a great day and see you guys hopefully next week. I have 1 week left next week trading because in July I'm taking a break. Yeah, yeah, that's it. And have a great day and cheers. People watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and follow me in my social media accounts. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll get back to you when I have time. And if you think these are valuable, I mean, what I share here, let me know. Cheers.